Greetings, designers. Hey, I thought I would bring you a quick tutorial on a handy tool in the Tinkercad workplane called the Align tool. And we found this to be very useful when you're lining up different pieces for something that you're building. I'm going to go ahead and grab a cylinder here real quick, and we're going to click and drag and make this a little bit bigger so that we can see it. And let's smooth that one out, and let's bevel it just a little bit and smooth out those bevels. Let's make this look like a cake. So I've got my first bottom layer of the cake, and I'm going to copy and paste Control C and Control V that. And I'm going to shrink this down because I want the second layer of the cake. So I'm going to click Shift, and I'm going to grab this corner here. When I click Shift and grab a corner, this will proportionally scale the X, Y, and Z coordinates of my shape. So I'm going to shrink that one down. Now I want to lift it up a little bit in space, and I want to bring it kind of over by the cake, but I'm kind of eyeballing it right now to see if it really lines up with the edges. And maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Best way to tell is I'm going to click, drag, and select all of those shapes. I'm going to click this little button up here that is the Align icon. If I click on that, it gives me these different dots that show me different places where I can align things. So I can align both of those shapes to the top portion of the Z-axis there. The bottom portion, I want it in the middle. Same thing here. I'm going to put this right in the middle here. And now I can be certain that that layer is lined up. I'm going to do it again with the next layer. Control C, Control V. Bring this one down. We're going to shrink this one as well with the Shift and that button there. Let's bring it up. Pop it over. And as long as I get it close, then I can just go ahead and click, drag, and select. Click on the Align tool, and then there it is, lined up in the center. Now, if you click the Align tool and one of those dots is grayed out, we've found that that just means that you're already lined up on that particular axis. And just to kind of show it, let's click away here. Let's move one. And now let's grab that Align tool again. And notice there, nothing's grayed out now. So once I line it on the center, it's grayed out there. Line it on the center there, it's grayed out there. Cool. All right, so there is a birthday cake using the Align tool. Kind of a neat way to go. Let's change the color on that, make it more look like cake. Is that kind of a cakey color? Sure is. All right, I almost want to draft some candles on this one, but we'll save that for a later tutorial. Hope you find the Align tool helpful as you are working in your designs.